After graduating from university, this young man from the countryside couldn't find a suitable job. Instead of giving up, he spent his days collecting scrap metal. One day, he came home with a broken engine, rusty square pipes, old gears, and heavy chains. His wife was upset, believing he was wasting time and money on worthless junk. But she had no idea that this pile of scrap would soon become an incredible machine. Determined to prove everyone wrong, he began by welding together a strong steel frame. He installed long bolts, welded support plates, and added an axle with wheels. As the wheels went on, the project finally started to look like a real machine. Next, he carefully mounted the old engine onto the frame, adjusting it several times to ensure perfect alignment. He then attached a large drive gear to the engine shaft and built the transmission system. Using a ruler, he precisely aligned the upper and lower gears before fitting a heavy-duty chain between them. After adjusting the chain tension and tightening every bolt, he tested the system. The chain rotated smoothly, transferring power through the entire machine with an impressive mechanical sound. But the most important part was still ahead. He cut a long steel bolt with an angle grinder, sending sparks flying everywhere. After welding it into a spiral cutting blade, he mounted it securely beneath the frame and attached a long handle for steering and control. Finally, the moment of truth arrived. He started the engine, and the chain spun at high speed. The spiral blade beneath the machine rotated powerfully, producing a deep roar like a steel beast coming to life. He drove the machine into a field overgrown with weeds and dead grass. As he pushed it forward, the spinning blade quickly cut through thick vegetation. Wherever the machine passed, the weeds disappeared, leaving clean ground behind. What began as a pile of discarded scrap had become a powerful, efficient lawnmower that amazed everyone in the village. Even a local shopkeeper immediately offered to buy it for a high price, and the young craftsman became well known for his creativity and skill. This project proves that with imagination, patience, and hard work, scrap metal can be transformed into something truly valuable. If you enjoy amazing recycling projects, DIY machines, and creative engineering, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next incredible transformation.